We are making continuous improvement with the investments that we do to improve the process. The data is constantly, people are asking for different ways to visualize it with reports, and they're also asking for more and more data. We're always getting more and more instruments to collect more data.
It really helps overall understanding of the process. It helps for investigation purposes. If something should be off, we can actually find root cause a lot easier.
The software helps communicate what's going on and what the data is to the right people in our facility. The software can definitely make a difference in manufacturing, your efficiency, effectiveness in whatever product you're making.
The role IT plays in manufacturing at Neenah Paper, we try to support the business as much as we can. We're constantly asking them, what software systems can we improve on to make their job easier? What type of data do they need? How do they want to see this data? We're looking for continuous improvement.
We're seeing a lot of customers expecting much more analytical data, and not just the information so that they can make a decision, but the information and a recommendation for a cause of action to make a correction.
Having all the data and being able to review it has definitely helped with productivity. We've been able to review that data and propose process changes to get increased yield.
The SCADA system can watch your whole operation every second. That's what we make our business decisions off of. That's what we make our continuous improvement projects based off of. Our team is constantly querying the historian database and looking through trends.
The analytical data is going to be going into intelligent databases where this data will be manipulated, and decisions or recommendations will be provided for the users. It's not just a case of monitoring a plant anymore. It's identifying key indicators that are outside the norm and warning operators about it.
Expecting that 15 to 20% improvement with real good automation, and they'll end up getting more if they do it right. You know, I've seen things, and I have one customer who looked at a 1% OEE improvement was $200,000 a year to the bottom line, right? So you don't have to buy any more capital. It's just fixing a couple things, very simply, drove $200,000 of profitability back to the company.
The Prophecy platform speaks to customers when they see it demonstrated, because they see that's what we've been looking for. We knew the type of data that we wanted to see. We just haven't had it in a way that could be automated, bring in manual data from labs, from the ERP system, bring it all into one spot so that we can now finally analyze all that data and not have it in disparate paper trails across the facility.